guys, so tonight I'm gonna show you what's for dinner. It's very easy. I always busy. I'm a working mom. I always work from 8 to 12 hours every day or 5 days a week. And yeah, I try to buy stuff or food that are like easy for me to cook because I don't always have time to cook a full meal. So here we're gonna try these. Well, actually, I've already tried this before and I really like it, so I bought it again. It's from Sam's Club. It's the beef pot roast. And then I'll just make instant mashed potato. And this is our dinner tonight. After that, I'm gonna show you guys my cleaning routine. So let's do this! Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. Selle here. Today, I will share you my nighttime cleaning routine. If you need some motivation to tackle your own mess at home, stay tuned and keep on watching.
And I am trying so hard to just stay cool. Oh man, I think I might be going crazy. 'Cause all I really want is to be with you. And I'm like,
if you are new here to my channel, hi, welcome. I am so happy you're here. My name is Selle. I'm a working mommy of an 8-year-old sweet boy. I would love for you to subscribe and join my YouTube family, so be sure to say hi and introduce yourself in the comments section. I upload new videos every single week about cleaning, organization, and mommy lifestyle. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best and I truly do appreciate you. So we just finished dinner and now I'm cleaning up the kitchen.
be the one with answers. Because I sure don't wanna know which girl you choose. And no, the thought of her being a private dancer, it's just a little too much for me to chew. But I'm like, I say that I'm alright.
So my goal at night before I go to bed or get ready to sleep is to clean up my kitchen. I'm not in any way deep cleaning anything. I just want to make sure I wipe down the counter, clear the sink, and clean it up a little bit. And it's important for me to clean my floor because I have a dog, so I always try to at least vacuum my floor. I don't mop my floor every single day. I normally do it every other day or every 2 days. And at night, I also try to tidy up the living room, so at least when I get up in the morning, it's not too messy. And I just like waking up with a clean kitchen. It motivates me and keeps me going in the morning.
Wake up, it's a sleeping way. Oh, why can't it be you and I? Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine. Hey, I say I'm doing
I have these cleaning cloths that I only use for the kitchen counters or for the stove because sometimes it gets greasy here and I don't want to reuse them, so it's easy for me to just throw them away since it's super cheap.
I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, and I cry when you're not around.
Don't mind the puzzles on the side. My son loves to do puzzle and every time I try to put that away, he always looks for it and he starts using it. So it doesn't make any sense for me to like put it away because I know he's gonna look for that. So I just leave it there. It doesn't bother me anyway. If you haven't seen my refrigerator clean and organize with me video, I will link it in the description box below.
I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose.
So I started to vacuum my floor already, but like I already said earlier, I'm not gonna mop my floor. I don't mop my floor every single day, and I don't think my floor is that dirty, so I'm just gonna vacuum this really quick, so at least when I wake up tomorrow morning, it's not too bad. Do you clean your floor every single day? Please leave me a comment down below. I would really like to know.
Crazy for love. Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do. There's no mountain I won't climb to be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for crazy for love.
My dogs likes to follow me wherever I am. That's why you see them a lot in my cleaning videos because they want to be where I'm at.
I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me.
My house gets super dusty. If I don't dust for 2 days, oh my god, it's gonna look like I haven't dust in like months. That's how crazy it gets. I have been trying to do at least 1 load a day because I don't know, I just, no matter what I do, I feel like I couldn't keep up with my laundry and it just like keeps piling up. So I have been trying this thing and I think it's kind of helping me. Leave me a comment down below of what do you do to catch up with your laundry. I hate folding clothes so much, so that really stopped me from doing it. Here I'm catching up with folding clothes. These are the ones that I washed from last night and honestly the night before. Sometimes I just put them in the basket and fold it whenever I can.
Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we
Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will link my info in the description box below. I always upload and post my new videos there, so it's always up to date.
we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now, 'cause we only have this life.
I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to tackle your own mess at home. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss out on my new future videos. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to a friend to inspire them as well.
We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now, 'cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start.
Seriously, who doesn't like waking up with a clean home? Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you and I will see you all again on my next video. Bye!